Welcome to the Blue Mouse Knits. Today I'm going to demonstrate how I knit 1x1 rib as a Continental knitter. It involves very little motion and is very comfortable and is also just very fast. So if you're unaware, a Continental knitter holds their yarn in their left hand. I'm just going to demonstrate how I knit. I used to purl very differently, but now I found a much easier way to do it as a Continental knitter. I tension in my last 3 fingers, more so with my last 2 than my third, and then my index finger comes underneath. So that's how I do it. So I knit very normally, and then in one motion I kind of bring the needle underneath the yarn at the same time as I lift the yarn up, and then I just let the yarn rest on my left hand needle, bring my right hand needle into that next stitch to purl it, and then bring the yarn down. And then as I lift it off my left hand needle, I bring the yarn to the back. So I'll show that to you in slow motion. So knit, yarn to the front, purl, yarn to the back. So it's all very fluid. So again, I knit as normal. And as I bring my right hand needle up to slide that stitch off, I also bring the yarn over my left hand needle and I let it rest there, go underneath with my right hand needle and tension the yarn to purl. And then in one motion, as I slide my right hand needle up, I also bring the yarn around to the back so it's ready to knit. So this is what it looks like in motion. So if you've been looking for a new comfortable way to alternate knits and purls, I think this is a really nice way to do it. It's way more comfortable and easier on my wrists. So yeah, this is more of a demonstration than a full tutorial. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for lots more free patterns and tutorials. You can also find my knitting patterns on Etsy and Ravelry.